What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another Matt Perry video. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video, watching it. I know views for cryptocurrency has been kind of down for the past, 6 months or so. And the reason being is because there's not really a lot of hype and a lot of popularity behind, cryptocurrency. I mean, there is popularity, but more people are on the sidelines, not really watching what's happening because they're waiting for the market to blow up. I've talked to a lot of people and they've said, I'm sitting on the sidelines because I don't want to look at my crypto. If I look at my crypto, I'm going to sell it. And they don't want to sell it. They want to be a part of the bull run, but they just don't want to deal with it. And that's honestly what you should do if you are in it for the long term. Kind of set it and forget it, especially in a bear market, because people will kind of get in their own feels and they'll start to say, maybe I should sell this position. I don't feel like it's performing well. And it's because the entire market is not performing well. So, anyways, I wanted to talk to you guys about the crypto adoption, and the bull run may be here a lot sooner than you guys think. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow my credit card YouTube channel, feel free to follow that channel. It's right here, which is Perry CC. Feel free to check it out and give it a subscribe. I'll put the link in the cards if you guys are interested in it. But let's talk about crypto overall. Right? We've been fighting, or not us, but I guess we've been fighting on one side. We've been fighting for more crypto adoption and trying to see the world really accept crypto, either as a form of payment. I can't speak. I'm trying to get ahead of myself. Either as a form of payment, or basically just seeing it as a form of an asset, right? You holding it for a longer period of time and then using it for the capture of another asset or capture of another appreciating asset there. So there's just so many different uses that we can have for it, mainly around being able to use it as a form of currency, as a form of money. But we've been fighting for that. And we have the government, we have different negative things that are happening, when it comes to FTX, and it comes to collapse of different exchanges, and it comes to, hackers and the government and, the SEC that's trying to do so much to fight cryptocurrency in a way. We actually have some form of positivity where they're trying to see adoption in a way. And I'll go through the article here today, but I do want to go through what the market is actually doing before I go into this article. So let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below, and if we're going to see crypto adoption, if we have way more here surrounding crypto adoption. But let's go ahead and get into what's happening in the market. The market looks better than it has been in a long time. We're seeing it at a $1.09 trillion market cap. So you could see how this growth has been. If this does load here, and hopefully it does, I know it's going to take a little bit, but you can see how it is currently at that $1.09 trillion market cap at the current moment, where we've been, down here at this 700, 800, 900 billion dollar market cap. We did increase when XRP ended up, getting that decision, and it was at like a $1.29 trillion market cap. But now, seeing it increase and get closer to a $1.1 trillion market cap feels good, but we're still hovering in between, let's say, that larger range of, a $1 trillion market cap to a $1.3 trillion market cap, right? And maybe even a smaller range of 1 to $1.1 trillion market cap. So let's see if we can finally break that and see some movement here. We're seeing a decent amount of volume. We haven't seen an increase in volume, or too much of an increase in volume. We're actually seeing a decrease in volume over the last 24 hours. It's down 26% in volume to about 30 billion. We saw this at 300 billion, in more of the peak of that bull run there. And we're not really seeing that. So I would love to see adoption finally catch up. And we do have some news here. We have some news coming from Crypto Briefing, where the SEC rushes Ethereum futures ETF approval before the government shutdown, showing that crypto adoption is definitely going to be a thing, right? You understand that the ETFs, with the Bitcoin ETF, the Ethereum ETF, really to focus on that as a form of adoption and more of the, investor's guide to, long-term investing, right? That's really what they want. ETFs, long-term investments, consistent growth investments. And that's what a lot of people like. What a lot of people love is more of that Warren Buffett strategy, right? You set it and forget it, and you let it run to a whole another level, and it just slowly gets up to a certain place. But let's scroll down here. The Securities and Exchange Commission is rushing to approve Ethereum products before the government shutdown on October 1st. According to a Bloomberg ETF expert, Eric, Valkyrie, Van Eck, and all of these others, right? Shares all expected to begin trading their Ether futures ETFs on Monday. So an update. Oh, I clicked on the update. Hearing the SEC wants to accelerate the launch of the Ether futures ETF because they want it off their plate before the shutdown. They've asked the fillers to update their docs by Friday. No small task to jam into 48 hours, especially for indie user or issuers. So they can go F Monday and trade Tuesday. So obviously you see that this is a good thing, right? Because if you have the push of ETF, you have a push of adoption, you have the push of the thought that you're going to see more and more adoption across the board where people are getting comfortable with cryptocurrency. Yes, it is really the top two cryptocurrencies surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum, but surrounding a lot of the altcoins, you don't really see a ton of adoption there, but I'm sure you're going to see that as time goes on, which is honestly a really, really good thing. And throughout this news, again, we're seeing a $1.9 trillion market cap. If we go back to all cryptocurrencies, we scroll down here, we're seeing some green, some movement, some positivity, right? That's what I want to see. And BTC is up by about 1%. Ethereum's up by about 0.7%. I was going to say Bitcoin. BNB is up by 0.4. If we look at the things that have been moving in the last 24 hours, Solana has been moving quite a bit. It's up 12.3 something or 28% in the last 7 days, up 19%. You see GMX that's up 7 or 8%. Stacks that's up about 7%. Avalanche, some notable ones, right? Avalanche, Polygon. You have Cardano that's making a move. That's a position that I hold a decent amount in. Arbitrum, that's also up 4.5, almost 4.5%. So the markets are looking fairly good, right? Obviously, it's not blowing up and things are exploding, but it's looking really good. Seeing, again, GMX that's up 24% in the last 7 days, and Maker that's up 20% in the last 7 days. Solana, again, 19%. Compound has been moving. So you have a lot of things that are moving. It's showing a lot of positivity, and I'm hype. I'm happy about it. I want to see crypto get adopted a lot sooner. And with things like this, where you have the approval of, this Ethereum ETF, you have the Bitcoin ETF, you have, other people that may be using different cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. Like, we want to see adoption. Adoption is coming. We're finally seeing the steps in order to get there. We just need to start walking, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, remember guys, if you want to check out my credit card YouTube channel, I'll put the link in the cards. We have a bunch of different content over there with credit cards that are guaranteed for approval, or choosing the right credit cards, or unboxings and all that stuff. We also have shorts that we upload as well. So feel free to check out that in the cards. I'll put that up in the cards. But guys, I'm going to get out of here, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.